Previously on Agent Shu.
We're getting ready to take this building, guys. Get ready to start point blanking some mofos. Come get some, yellow! That's an architect.
Reloading!
One just...
It scared the living shit out of me.
Oh, another side gunner. We can make this fun. Motherfucker, you like that? Come on! Guys, we're gonna get overrun. No, we're not. We're holding this shit. Guys, there's a shit ton of them about to respawn.
Here they come!
Hit it!
Mofo 01, why?
Sorry, guys. We're trying to get the rest of our team. We got 6 people late.
All right, I'm not going to say this again, so pay attention. We're here in the green, all right? We were all here. Right now, the enemy is taken all the way up to 6, and we don't know if they have the prisoners or not.
Cyber Squad, I suggest this. We all go there and knock down the door. This is what I propose.
All right.
We all enter through these woods and just rush that.
Okay.
Half of us go on this road, and then half of us just stay in those woods and put fire in these buildings so that they're confused. So these guys will be automatically, they'll be firing on the road, on that little road. But we keep guys in the woods to keep pushing up.
So you're saying keep guys here shooting in the town?
We all infiltrate. Now, if we get here and they already spot us and we're already getting fired upon, then we either kick in the door or flank all the way around Swampy Pete's and try and swing around to POW camp.
That's a good idea.
POW camp is actually a pretty good place because there's a lot of defense there. We could actually post a perimeter and then push.
This side of the road that we're going to be moving on, we have some cover. We can get there and at least just assess the situation further.
Yeah. Okay. That's it. Yeah. So let's try and get.
We're here. Right here. So we're going to go this way.
Let's go slightly past the village and just look.
All right. We don't engage unless you guys hear gunfire.
Do not engage.
Quiet. Do not engage. All right, we whisper. We don't shout.
Safety's on.
Either.
It's quiet. We don't yell. And we want to stay in the tree line. We don't yell
stay in the
for
tree
each
line.
other.
What distance are we keeping apart from each other?
25.
10 feet.
Watch your step.
Oh my god, dude, the last time I heard the area play across the Swampy Peak.
Oh, hit! Hit!
Oh my god. I'm dying. Oh everything got fucked up.
I got contact. There's 2 on the road. They're moving up. I can't get to you, man. Get that fucker! Alright, what are we going to do now?
Can't play dead
Guys, whoever's alive, go into the woods and start putting fire back on those guys. Anyone who's alive, can drag us to the medic.
Alright, he's down. We got another one.
You should have gone to POW.
Oh, you almost got caught behind the head.
Don't tell me they fucking
Down to
Hey, you. Watch this side along.
I'm just gonna get raised up and die. Mike, are you up?
I'm down again.
Yo, we got anybody live up here? Yeah, I'm alive. We got 3. Yo, we got 4 over here, man. Oh, hit. I can't get my hand.
Oh, hit!
Oh, it got me right through my ear.
That failed. I didn't expect that.
Dude, you realize everybody's dead and you go back to respawn. Need them all. Hit!
Dead man coming out, don't shoot.
Dude, we all got white shot.
We're gonna respawn, let's go. Yellow. Left side, Josh. We got fucked up. Dude, oh my god, as soon as we got we gotta pull out. We're still alive, let's go. That was a right out of
Like we just showed up.
Oh my god.
Here's the situation. Let's come up with a plan, and then I just hear one shot.
Oh fuck, the big fun.
Alright, here's the plan. Oh! All of us hit the
No one expected that. I was like, alright guys, got a system hit.
Alright guys, go debrief.
Who said that was like a fucking movie? Because it really was.
I said that was like a movie. I mean, we just showed up. We were about to like talk through the next part of the plan, and that plan got blown to smithereens.
That was an epic fail.
It was fun
The guy
though.
in front of me got shot, and I'm like, oh fucking shit. And I dropped way too fucking fast, and I landed on him.
I got hit in the helmet like immediately.
Yeah, Sam. I'm very happy I'm wearing a helmet today. Actually, there's a lot of shots there.
We can even get over. God, my boots are so full of water right now.
I did too, but I got hurt in mine.
Fuck him, man. There's no way I'm walking through that shit.